So there would be a moment as an animal guardian that I would be like, okay, I'm getting cross now. My dogs are pulling on the lead. It's hurting my shoulders. Right, get here, stop pulling, get back here. But when I'm in that space to go, oh, this has actually got nothing to do with Manitou and Lilu, my brain will tell me I am getting annoyed because you're pulling and it's hurting my body, or there's people around whose dogs are on the lead, like, looking at their guardian going, oh, can I walk a bit faster or not? And now I'm embarrassed now, so now I'm even more angry because you're showing me up. Because my mind, my thinking mind will tell me, of course I feel angry because my dogs are pulling on the lead and it's hurting my shoulders and I want them to walk nicely next to me. And as I say, I'm feeling embarrassed now because people are looking, whatever it may be. But I always say the experience itself is irrelevant. What's relevant is the feeling behind it. So the experience of Manitou and Lilu pulling is irrelevant in terms of, or what can I now blame? What's relevant is the feeling behind it. What's relevant is the charge. So if Manitou and Lilu were pulling on the lead, and I'm like, I'm not bothered. Like, oh yeah, they're dogs. Of course, like there was a rabbit over there 5 seconds ago. Of course they're going to pull. Then I'm not having a charge. But if I'm having this charge, then I'm catching it and going, what is this anger? But now I can go, oh, Manitou and Lily were pulling on the lead. That's all right. Of course, they they're scent animals. There's live in the countryside. There's like deer over there. There's hares over there. There's rabbits over there. How can I then develop a protocol that supports their need in a way that also is helpful, so that they're not always pulling on the lead just because it can cause injury? So it becomes the bigger picture of, rather than the thinking mind going, you're a dog, this is your name, this is your breed, this is your gender, this is what I expect you to do. We can also go, oh, this is how I need to support you as an animal that I have chosen to coexist with in this world, but also how they are in our lives for us to basically enter our soul work.